Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Prism launcher for Minecraft 26.1. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, what you need to do here, you just need to open up Google and write Prism launcher Minecraft and click on the first link. Then press download and then select if you want to download for Windows, you can download it for macOS as well and more. So I will download for Windows. So I just need to download this file here. Then you can run this setup. Then you just need to press next, next, install, and wait until installation process here is done. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. After it's done, press run Prism launcher and press finish. And then you will have an option to change language and more. So let me show you. Now you can select language and then you can select team. And then you need to add your Microsoft account. So press on add and log into your account. Here I'll press sign in. And in another window, I will sign into my account here. So let's wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see here, sign in. And now on Prism Launcher, you will have a bunch of different things. So first of all, let's add instance here and add Minecraft 26.1 in this case. Here. And now you can do a bunch of different things with this app. You can press on edit, you can add mods, world, servers, screenshots, and do a bunch of different things. And then you can launch the game through it. So we just need to wait until installation process is done here. It will take a couple of minutes as well. Yeah, just launch the game with the Prism launcher. And yeah, that's basically what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.